This is a video of the new Craftsman Automatic garage door. And you see it has this button right here. This turns on and off the lights. And let's go outside and see from the outside. To close the garage door when you're outside, you hit enter. And the keypad will flash. And the garage door locks. So next what you do is you enter your code. And the door opens. Then when it's at nighttime, you can close the keypad right there. And you can get back in the garage.
And, well, here's something else. Did you see the automatic sensor?
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's to detect if anyone's entering the house while the garage door is opening or closing?
Yep. Go ahead and we'll close the door, right?
Okay.
And then stick your foot in it.
Opens right back up.
It says, "Hey, I can't close."
Oh, by the way, I guess if an intruder is breaking in, you do this. Oh yeah, of course, you can't close the garage door like this. Or maybe you can.
And you can do this. Well, you should be able to do that anyway. But you're supposed to disengage the garage door from the...
Okay. Oh, you can just do it like this. You just do it like this.
Oh, it worked. How about that?
Oh, you disable the garage door. Genius. What did you do?
Right, so that disengages it from the garage door. You just have to,
And that's it.
I don't know how to put it back in, but...